Total Facility Solutions' vision to be the preferred single-source provider of process-critical infrastructure for customers in the semiconductor, life science, renewable energy, and science and research industries is backed by our core values of safety, dedication, quality, integrity, accountability, experience, and trust. In our business, the safety of our employees and our environment is our #1 concern. Our vision for our environmental health and safety program is to create a sustainable, injury-free culture on all projects through teamwork, leadership, and commitment. This drives us to operate incident and injury-free, and we are committed to achieving this wherever we have a presence. Creating an incident and injury-free environment is about taking action, caring for one another, and demonstrating that care on a daily basis. Safety is a value. We must choose to be safe for ourselves, our families, and our fellow workers because it is the right thing to do. Incident and injury-free is not about sustaining perfection. It's about believing we can make the unrealistic become reality. It's about not accepting incidents and injuries as being part of the job.
IIF is incident and injury-free, and it's really a belief that you can execute a complex, dangerous project without a single incident, without a single injury on the entire project site. And it's purely based upon cultural transformation. The old way of thinking in construction was that, oh well, this is a construction site, it's dangerous, you're going to get hurt. That's not at all what IIF is about. Our position is that we don't have any boundaries when it comes to care and concern. It includes our customers, it includes our suppliers, our subcontractors, everybody else that we're working next to, whether it be a competitor or a collaborator. Because if you don't take that approach, you can't possibly solve the problem on a project site. For me, it's about having a personal connection. It's about having a personal relationship with as many of our employees as I can. You start with taking care of your people. They're your greatest asset. That's what's going to make you successful. So again, if you do that first, if everybody's healthy, if everybody's productive, they come to work every day, they leave healthy every day, you're going to make money. You're going to meet the schedule. You're going to make the customer happy. And you're going to make thousands of people happy that are direct family members, extended family members, suppliers, family members. Everybody's going to be happy. Everybody's going to make money because you focused on the right thing.
Safety in our business is critical. It relates in two primary aspects. One, on a personal level, we can't be successful and we can't be the kind of company that we want to be if our people aren't in good condition. Mentally, physically, it all goes together. The other aspect, which is equally important, less personal, is the business side. From a financial standpoint, safety has high consequences. It translates in our insurance rates, how much it costs us to insure our people. When we have a healthy and a safe program that is performing well, then our costs go down. And so it makes us more competitive from a financial standpoint, which allows us to translate that into our bids and our proposals and our costs of operations. We typically go through a pre-qualification process, and a large component of most owners' programs, not all, but most, and the ones that we particularly are looking to work for, place a value on safety and on well-being of people working for the companies. Ultimately, that translates in how we conduct our business, how we perform our services, and ultimately how we're going to treat our clients as individuals as well. So the culture promotes that concept, and the better we are at it, the more committed we are to the philosophy of IIF, the more value ultimately we bring to the client.
IIF's, it's about a family. It's about a true team coming together to work towards a common goal. No one wants to see anyone get hurt or injured because not only does it affect that person, but it affects their family. The company's commitment to our employees is simple. We're committed to ensuring every employee goes home safe each and every day. We're committed not only to the employee, but the employee's family. That's what we want. We want the best for the employee. Obviously, we want them to come in to be productive for us, but ultimately, it's critical and by far most important to us to ensure that they go home safe to their families each and every day. We have some of the best employees that this industry have to offer. We expect them to come in and be responsible. Be responsible for not only themselves, but for their coworkers. The expectation of coming in and demonstrating care and concern for one another. That's what we expect. We expect them to come in and be open with us. If they see a problem, then let's escalate that problem and let's get it addressed. You instill a culture from top to bottom. It all starts at the top. We have a president and CEO that are absolutely 100% committed to implementing incident injury-free and demonstrating care and concern to the employees. IIF, to me, it's critical. I mean, I've come in to ensure that we move this company forward. We move it forward and we reduce injuries, we mitigate hazards to ultimately benefit the business and quite frankly, the bottom line.
It is not just project-based or work-based safety program. It's what we look at overall for employees on and off the job and for their total quality of life. The support for the IIF program is widespread, both in steering group committees. Individuals are chosen from every different department throughout all the M&W companies. There's always an IIF representative at hand at every location. So there's never a reason not to be educated by it. We support it across and everything. All our meetings start with a safety program announcement, so we're constantly getting the ear of the employees and driving home our culture.
TFS's approach to safety is to provide a clear and concise procedure for each individual to use. The workers on site are prepared for their working environment, and we instill a care and concern for their well-being in addition to proper PPE, processes and procedures, and overall site safety implementation.
It's a way of life. You know, since we started down this IIF road, it's changed my life. You know, I'm more consistently trying to do things in a safe manner, whether it's driving down the road or on the weekends working out in the yard or whatever it may be.
Caring about other people and demonstrating they care about other people by not letting them work unsafely. If they see someone working unsafely, have the courage to step up and say something. That's part of their responsibility. It's not just the safety manager's responsibility or the foreman's responsibility. It means everyone is involved in the management of our safety.
Well, from a corporate perspective, safety is our ultimate concern. We absolutely must keep our employees and the workforce that we supervise safe. It's the right thing to do, and it's also the only way that we can protect our clients' reputation and their results on their projects. IIF is a total cultural change, and as a company with a lot of new employees growing extremely fast, we had to develop one central culture that we could all work from and work around, and IIF was the easy answer to that question. My commitment is that I will provide the communication leadership and I'll provide the resources within the company to ensure that happens.
Creating an incident and injury-free environment is about protecting our greatest asset, our employees, by ensuring we all go home safe and healthy each day in the same condition as we arrived. Total Facility Solutions, setting the standard with respect to safety performance.